What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at some Audio Technica headphones, and these are older ones, but they had that pleather crap on them and it all flaked off. So my idea was to take some of this polyfoam caulk saver. It's 3-inch in diameter, 20 foot long, and I took it and I bent it to the diameter of the headphones, and I put some hot glue there and glued it together. And then what I did was I got like a nylon sock, and up here at the band, if you separate this little part here and just make a little vertical slit, sorry about that, make a little vertical slit here, but don't go through, then feed this stuff right around. So you don't hot glue this until you make the slit. Feed this through your band, then hot glue it, then simply take and roll it completely down the sock. And when you get to the end of the sock, just make a horizontal cut right here, and you roll it up, and it looks like a donut. I already did one here, and it's kind of hard to work with one hand here, but I already did it here. And then on the bottom side of the donut that you just made, you hot glue it to your headphones. Now this one, I didn't, you could see that's the part you cut. Then you take a scrunchie. You get them at the Dollar Tree, and it just so happens mine here has a little valley that this scrunchie is going to fit in. So you're going to stretch this over, and then you're going to pull this taunt and then push the scrunchie down into that little valley, and then just take a pair of scissors, trim all around it. And as you can see, this one is done. And that's how I did my headphones over again.